Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. Today I'll be showing you how to install Google Chrome on Arch Linux. So, firstly, open your terminal. I use Kitty. You can use whatever other terminal that you have, like Ghostly, whatever. I use Kitty. Firstly, if you're using J or Paru. Mostly Arch Linux users should have J, but I personally use Haru. You're gonna search up Google/Chrome, click enter. It's gonna tell you which one to download. You're gonna select the first one. So number one, click enter, click Y, and click Q, Y, and then continue. So it should download Google Chrome. Let's skip this part now. So after it finished downloading all, put your password, and there we go. So if I go to my application directory and search up Google Chrome, this one, nope, nope, click OK, and there we go. We have Google Chrome on Linux. Not sure why would you do that, but we have it though. So that should be it for today's video. Google on Linux. Interesting.